Leslie Velasco from the National Library of the Philippines. At sa pagkakataon po ito ay ibibigay ko naman po sa inyo ang ama ng ating minamahal na lungsod. Palakpakan po natin Tagalang-galang Francisco Isko Moreno Domagos.
Bisita ng National Government, National Library, Miss Priscilla Velasco. Sa ating mga bisita, mga kalagaya ng Eskwelahan, at sa ating Direktor ng Manila Library, Maylene Geneva, to United Architects of the Philippines, mainit lang. I'm very grateful to UAP. Thank you for doing such good thing. As assured, we take care of you. I know you're going to do more for this facility. So, we welcome you. At pagka-umulan, magpapasakyo para dumami. Sa ating mga empleyado, barangay officials, Juan, sabi sa kapit. Is just one of many things that will happen in Manila. With regard to career, facility, technical service, Mr. Lee, on the road, you see underground was very new and efforts to be recognized properly. Whether from the private sector, whether from the national government, or in our own way as local government. So, maraming salamat sa ating mga kabayan ng tutulong sa akin. At rest assured that despite of the great challenges fiscally, ang city may rawan sa atin ay gagawin natin. May awa Diyos, makakawin tayo. As you can see, about 2 minutes ago, I was with the international group of organization and individual helping us sharing our idea to the world and their best practices sa atin and tuberculosis in the city of Manila. So maraming tumulong, maraming Pilipinos. Si Maylene, dating mabilis tumilos. And dalawa, isa sa dalawang bagong itinatayo na public library is located in Santa Cruz, Ron, at San Sacramento. So these are the things that we continue to invest. At ang Silid Aklatan or library, hindi na lang ng bata. Shout out sa mga lulong ako. Oo, kung wala rin ginagawa, nasa candy lang kayo. Paano man nga, habang kayo nasa pamilya, may pagawis na dito sa inyo, maliwalas. Will make it more place, a good environment. Better environment. But what matters is that today movement way forward. Always moving on. Keep on moving on. Some will fail, some will succeed. No matter how every day you keep moving. Moving gives you high probability of surviving and being successful. So to our barangay officials, yung Mandagan Center for Confirmation, ito sa Center nasa pasada natin. Walang pagkain, yung maliwalas, level natin pagkagamit din ang komunidad. Dito na sila magtanggap ng United Nations Day. Hindi niyo pwede kalimutan yung United Nations Day. Kasi nung araw, wala akong handa. But the world will celebrate my birthday because it's United Nations Day. So, maraming cultural, extracurricular, productive activities that this piece of area that we utilize by the community, by the barangay, for our surrounding barangays in the district. So, rest assured that soon, yawan Diyos, ito ay sinabi ng Maylin, Diyos sa mga makamit natin library like this one, we will engage in technology. At para maging palatable, para mas exciting, creates curiosity. Sabi kasi nila, ako may narinig akong politiko. Wala akong may library, wala na akong my question is that true? Is it valuable to have a public library? Yes! I do believe so. Yung mga ilang individual na hindi yung mga nasa ito, kanina hindi natin alam kung tayo nila sa but I believe in you. I believe that you will do service to our people. That's why the law is enacted by me. Few days ago, I signed it into law that this building is the home of Manila City Library. Hindi na kayo squatter. For our visitors, just for your usap. Wala ko sila sa sarili opisina. Marami sila library. Pero nakikipisan lang sila. Now at least, there is moving from here, duplicate, increment, in unison, in synchrony of all our public library in the city. I'm happy and excited to build it better. We'll make it more pleasant to the working environment of our employees is going to look at administrative obligation or responsibility here in this building. So, may bahay na kayo. At darating mga bagong library, bagong gamit. At ang library ngayon, hindi na lang mga bata. Shout out pati sa mga lolo-lola ko. We have implemented that goal during my first term in our old libraries all over the city. That seniors can now go at Tumambay, read some reading materials and so on and so on. And we will now relieve the work of that policy. Dapat wala tayong bibili pagdating sa bahay. Those who are seeking knowledge, and trying to make more value of their time should be welcome in our public library, owned and run by the city government. So sa inyo lahat na nandito, maraming salamat po kami and all others. Ikaw ang nagkasa things that we make. But with your help and being together, we can make our city great again. So, mag-ingat kayo. Palagi pa kayo ng buong kayo. Maraming salamat. Congratulations. To the new home.